made PVC rod holders for my fishing chair. What I've done is heated PVC pipe and indented it so it would fit. I started out putting them down here, but by the time you make them short enough that the chair will still fold, they're basically worthless. So I moved them up here, and then I cut a notch for my bait casters and my spinning rods, and I'll show you that here in just a second. See, the bait caster fits in there pretty good, doesn't twist, doesn't wiggle, and it holds the handle away so it doesn't get caught under the arm of the chair. Same thing for a spinning rod. Your handle is going to get caught when you try to get a fish, but if you got a notch, it holds it out away and you can access it easy. I think the angle of the rod is pretty nice. The chair will still fold up just about as well as it ever did. Because I have that indented and the pipe clamps are squeezing it tight, this is really quite robust.